All right. Hey everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself. And our do-it-yourself project today is on how to winterize the pump on your pressure washer. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that using this product, B, Pump Saver Plus Winterizer, which I think I picked up at Walmart or someplace like that. The reason you want to winterize your pump is so that when the temperatures drop below freezing, assuming you're storing your equipment in a shed or outside where the temperatures are going to be below freezing, you don't want the residual water left in your pump to freeze. That will damage and destroy your pump. So instead, we're going to push this antifreeze liquid into the pump to keep it conditioned, winterized, and prevent it from freezing in the cold winter temperatures. In a previous video, I had showed you how to install a new pump. We installed this pump together on a previous video, and I'll link to that above if you want to check it out. But because it's a new pump, I don't want to take the chance of it freezing and getting destroyed over the winter. So let me pull you in a little closer, and I'll show you how we're going to do this. Okay, so here we are, we have access to the pump, and we've removed the hose, and we are going to use this product. It has a connecting valve here and a shut-off valve here, so remove this cap. That washer goes with our cap. Make sure the valve is in the closed position, like that. And we are going to, it's got threads on the end, we're going to thread it into the water inlet side of our pressure washer pump. Like so. We don't have our hose or wand hooked up. In fact, I have that. I'm going to move it out of the way. We don't need that. So you can see how I've got that bottle hooked up. Now let's open the valve so that we can allow this liquid to make its way into the pump. All right. So what you want to do next is make sure your engine is in the stop position. Alternately, you could also remove the spark plug wire. And we're going to pull the cable on the engine as if we were going to start it. Of course, we're not. I want to start by trying to squeeze some of this in. But by pulling the start cable, we'll make that pump turn manually, and it will allow the liquid to work its way through the cavities and orifices of the pump. Do that a few times. Keep squeezing. My pump doesn't take that much, and I see it already is coming out the other side, which is exactly what we want. So do that a few more times. Make sure the pump gets to spin several revolutions. And go ahead and squeeze more of this in if you can. All right, so now that I have it coming out the other side, I'm going to close the valve and I can disconnect it. Didn't really take that much because this is not a very large pump. Replace the cap here, and we'll be able to save the rest of this for other machines or for the next year to come. This liquid is really the same thing as RV antifreeze that you put in the plumbing of your RV. So you can reuse this bottle even once emptied, just fill it up with RV antifreeze. Now our pump's winterized. I can put this in the shed without having to worry about it, and we'll be good to go. So that's it, a really simple procedure to protect your pump. Make sure it's good to go in the springtime whenever you need it next. I'm going to put it back in the shed. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.